Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the Apollo Bullet camera, featuring a built-in rechargeable battery and wireless connectivity. It also comes in a kit with a solar panel for continuous operation. Apollo cameras are battery-integrated devices that support solar-powered charging. The Apollo Bullet camera kit includes an 8-watt solar panel with a Type-C connector. Additionally, the camera comes in two options, 4G and Wi-Fi. Choose Wi-Fi for strong signal areas or 4G for remote locations without Wi-Fi connectivity. The compact Bullet camera comes in two premium colors, Pearl and Ash, with two battery capacity options, 6,000 milliamp hours and 10,000 milliamp hours. They feature an IP66 rating, ideal for outdoor scenarios. To ensure long-lasting surveillance for battery-powered cameras, we offer AOV mode. This provides uninterrupted protection with minimal power consumption. It maintains constant monitoring at 1 frame per second for optimized efficiency, then instantly switches to 15 frames per second the moment motion is detected, ensuring no critical details are missed. The Apollo Bullet camera boasts intelligent features such as AI human and vehicle detection, as well as built-in sound and light alarms for active deterrence. Check out these other models. For more information about our products and solutions, you can visit the links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a smarter society and better living.